So today I'll be showing you how to meal prep smoothies every morning, so you can just take it out the freezer and just go. So all you'll need is a bag of frozen fruits. So this is a tropical mix fruit bag and some Ziploc bags. So you're gonna put 1 cup of mixed fruits in each bag and you're gonna put it in the freezer. And when it's time in the morning and you want to have a smoothie, you just go in the freezer, you take your bag and you put it in your smoothie blender. So you're just gonna portion out a cup of fruit like so and put it in a bag. So you're gonna keep doing that until all your fruit is finished. Like, I love this mixed fruit because it has all types of fruits. It has strawberries, grapes, pineapples, peaches. You know, I love some peaches and cream. And the great thing about grapes is it's a natural sweetener. So you don't really have to add any honey or sugar. Everything is natural over here, baby. So now that I'm done, I'll just Ziploc the bags and just throw it in the freezer. Every morning when I'm ready, I'll just take 1/4 of a cup of Greek yogurt and 1/2 cup of milk, and I'll put it in the smoothie blender. And I will keep it there for about 10 minutes so it can thaw out, and then I'll just blend it. And there you have it, a nice luscious thick smoothie. So to see me make the smoothie, just click on the link up below and you'll see me make the smoothie. Okay? Thank you for watching.